Today on top of the program, we waka enter inside Anambra State, where a native doctor now go answer questions to why they collect used condoms. According to information where they reach us, and I be say this native doctor, he actually contract a akunakuna, where English people they call prostitute, so they collect this used condom. When then he go come use them for charms. According to in confession, it's also he go use them for charms and witchcraft.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, once you hear that sound, you know say na 899Patrol 9 you don't dey hear now on top the station wey sabi 89.9 Yanga FM. My name na Najite Atirene, and every Monday I dey bring to you crime stories them. Make we look eye put as we be say we don't waka to dey search for those where they commit crime. Today on top of the program, we waka enter inside Anambra State, where a native doctor now go answer questions to why they collect used condoms. According to information where they reach us, and I be say this native doctor, he actually contract a akunakuna, where English people they call prostitute, so they collect this used condom. When then he go come use them for charms. According to in confession, it's also he go use them for charms and witchcraft. All these ones that we want to talk about on top of the program today, 899Patrol. And also, we go also take a look at waiting they happen for inside Lagos State, as we say. A murder suspect now, they don't arrest them, where in name now Linktex or Gali. The talk say he allegedly killed his girlfriend. He stabbed her anyhow. After he pretend to be delivery man for inside Lagos State. More details of that one day. Joining us on top of the program to discuss actually the native doctor where they collect used condoms from prostitute for inside Anambra State. Now Dr. Abiodun Bello, Ingo they join us virtually in there on a different time zone, so we not go to waste so much of time. We will just talk through with basically. Him na doctor and he specialized in African studies. So we're gonna get to know a little bit of the implications of waiting he probably they do with those used condoms and any other thing we go follow that talk also good day. Don't forget say you self be part of the conversation. All you need to do now send us text message or WhatsApp message to 09048213013. I call the number again 09048213013. Before we go this break, make I bring Punkilla on. How you day? Good morning.
Madam Waka, good morning.
Good morning.
How was here last week?
Oh, well, I define criminals.
Hey, I hear say you don't bring herbalists enter
I don't bring herbalists.
I
mean, but just hearing this story, now waiting cross your mind. Herbalists will contract prostitute to they bring used condom, come give them for sake of charms.
Already, that one already shows say he's not illegal herbalist. Nothing truthful about him.
Illegal herbalist. Legal herbalist did. Oh yeah, well, licensed traditionalist.
Okay, so make I reprint my language. Illegal traditionalist in Hindi. Because I don't know. Number one, we as moral people would talk say prostitution is not a good symptom because somebody they suffer in body in a different immoral way to make money. Would they say no be something where we like for our society? You go to contract them.
So they bring people.
They don't make sense. Sometimes the way you're not making sense.
Yeah. And well, we go try to make sense of all of this when we go this break, come back and join Dr. Abiodun Bello. We'll talk more about them and I'll give you more details. You say if you be part of the conversation, don't forget to send us text message. Send us WhatsApp messages to 09048213013. My name is Najite Atirene. We'll go this break, no go anywhere. And I see 899Patrol on top. Wetin Dey. You don't listen to for the station we sabi. All right, welcome back to 899Patrol on top of the station Wasabi 89.9 Yanga FM, and the total package now Wetin Dey. Definitely we don't tell you say today our major focus now that of Anambra native doctor with them actually catch for sake of say in contract a prostitute so they carry used condoms can't give her making they use take do charms. Now according to the information where they reach us, them talk say this thing happened for inside a particular local government for inside Anambra State, where I go let you know just in a few seconds. And they talk say now Oka North local government area now this one take happen and now okay, now he identify as person where in name na Anagbo Emeka. Him himself come from Agamelum local government for inside the same state, Anambra State, and this one happen for inside this Oka North local government area for Echara community specifically, where they take catch am say they carry used condoms from different hotels where in you stay contracted prostitute to they carry out this badiment. According to in confession, we go viral for inside the video we go viral. In talk say in they actually they use these condoms they do charm for witchcraft. Many things happen. They almost mob them, but eventually the crowd definitely got to expose them. We spoke with the police talk person yesterday, but he say he never get details. If he get details, he'll give us more explanation onto this case. But we say make we look at in the other way, the implications of this kind of thing where they happen. Because when you look at many people go to fear say, waiting they happen where they use condom of people. What if it happen to those people where get the connection to these used condoms? So they wait for her, make us still give you information, and make her also hear from us waiting for inside studio. Hearing this case, one killer don't talk say na illegal traditionalist. Punky, what do you think?
Now waiting.
Illegal traditionalist.
Wait now, calm down. You know, say in the country of the blind, now one man be king. The people who believe him, they no look the man himself. Say, if you feel do this thing where they talk, say if you do, you suppose they use G-Wagon by now. I believe saying I just cultural setback to a large extent. Because when you look up, what do you want to take that guy thing do?
You say you want to use them for charms or witchcraft?
For witchcraft. So of all the ingredients in this life, that one is see. In mates they go pick herb inside forest. They use cola nut. He never talk true. They suppose hammer head, and the charm way they do it, they work. They don't talk say all these traditionalists and herbalists now. When they talk say they can get charm to do this, they suppose do it. If they don't do it, where it work, may they send them to jail. So right. That one way say they do witchcraft charm, make it go bring witch come, we go try them. If you don't work, it's going to jail.
Not to me saying only witches go use them. Well, another thing we say, I like to also look at the law. Does the law actually recognize witchcraft?
One thing I know.
I don't think it does.
One thing I know is that the only thing that is an offense is if you call a person a witch and you can't prove it.
How do you prove it?
Yeah, it's against the law. You can actually get into trouble with the law with that.
Quick question, I want to ask, madam. Nigerian law talk anything about voodoo or not?
You cannot prove it in the court of law.
You can't prove it in the court of law. How do you prove it in the court of law?
So you see, say indirectly, even our constitution, don't do your Allah.
Make I take this break, come back. I will need to bring in Dr. Abiodun Bello. We're going to learn a lot, from this conversation. So don't go anywhere. You say send in some of your questions where they listen to us on top 0904821 3013, or you drop in your contributions to the same number 09048213013. We'll take this break, come back and join Dr. Bello. All right, welcome back to 899 Patrol on top the station we Sabi 89.9 FM. We apologize for the small delay there as we try to connect with Dr. Abiodun Bello. So we'll just make them quickly based on the fact say we need to talk about this particular case of the native doctor where them catch for inside Anambra State. They use condoms, they carry out charm. Dr. Abiodun Bello Dey with us. Welcome to the program, sir. Good morning.
Thank you, Najite.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for waiting for us. We apologize for the small delays where you just experienced. But we'd just like to talk sharply. When we hear about charms, using of things like this for charms, person go dey wonder say, wetin be the implication of this kind act? So I would like to ask, which kind, will I say, magic or ritual purposes this person fit dey practice using used condoms wey in use take contract prostitute to the giver for witchcraft purposes? Which kind magic in fit dey try to do with them, or which kind rituals you fit say in they try to do with this used condoms?
Again, Najite, I want to thank you for bringing me for this. A short while ago, I hear you and your colleague, Mr. Wale, and others talk about the legality and illegality of waiting the man just do.
Right.
But make I just quickly talk and say, even before white man come Africa, inside this traditional practice, African traditional medicine practice, then get rule even among the herbalists. And again, I have to qualify the use of herbalists in this context. Is different from, say, the witch doctor or whatever else is being called in different African contexts. So, in the Yoruba example, for instance, when you get the Babalawo and you get the Onishegun who have knowledge of herbs, there are ethical practices that draw the lines where we say they get things where you don't supposed to do. So people when they break those laws, then they call them Adamushe. Now if you say then be recalcitrant, I mean that they know they follow rules.
Okay.
So this kind of man now where you bring for your this kind of topic where you bring about this Emeka man from Anambra, he go belong to that.
People where they follow the rules.
People know they follow the rules. That is one. You mentioned the idea of magic. In the context where this man they operate, so inside the head, possibly he understand the different types of way magic they take work. But generally the idea of magic, if you ask the white man, I know so many Nigerians and Africans, they understand the first type of magic we come on pass, where Oyibo man they call sleight of hand. Now if you say person if you put hand for pocket now, you go see one bed. You go put your hand in the bag, you don't go see the bed again. I be
card or
one
something.
Like that. That one it they come on where people they go training, they collect license, they practice them. But in this case, I mean, there are two other kind of magic where I know that what this man they try to do belong to.
Okay.
And one of them, now be what you man call homeopathic magic.
Okay.
Now be say like must be get like.
Okay.
So if you give me 5 naira now, I feel tell you say I feel turn that 5 naira to plenty 5 naira. So now only five naira money
I go plenty.
I go fit produce. You know, I be you give me Gary now. You give me 1 cup Gary. I feel turn the 1 cup Gary to 1 drum of Gary. So that one I like the get like. Now this one with this man they try to do now they call sympathetic magic.
Okay.
Now if you say any object or any item we don't touch another human being body.
Okay.
Then fee use fee harm that particular human being. So that's why you go here for sometimes, even in the African home videos, say make them go cut one person nail come. I be make them go cut in ear come. I be make them go use the cloth where the person don't wear before. You know. So this kind of way the man can't say make the
prostitute.
Askamaya, prostitute. Askamaya can go bring the used condoms. So it belongs to. So if you're asking about the effect, yes, there can be psychological effect on the part of the victim.
Okay.
There can be even psychosocial effect, even without the knowledge. The victim self no fit know. Their behavior fit change. You know, because all of this thing now, as they go do all their preparation, they go do incantation, do invocation, you know, the person identity, when in this case, involuntarily don't they involve. So they will reach the person through such contact because now material where the person don't use before. So they go feel, you know, through you mentioned witchcraft, they go feel reach that person. So it's called sympathetic, you know, magic. But in this case, I think since the newspaper, I read the story for newspaper, so there are no reports, they no give us, you know, that dimension, that angle say waiting happen to the people we get the condom be that. So you get limits where you go feel talk about that. But in terms of the possibility where you ask, yes, possibility there will be saying physically, emotionally, you know, even spiritually, most possibly, these victims will get the condom. So I mean, they affected.
So sake of say investigation go on, and I agree say these victims now of the used condoms feed get, you know, feed they affected. Any form of reversal fee happen through the same person where they carry out this practice?
Now everywhere people they do pencil, they do eraser too now. Not be only Oyibo. So it depends. It depends on. I'm not a licensed traditional herbalist. I'm just a scholar.
Yeah.
But I know that it is possible.
Okay.
What you don't do, depending on the route where you follow, go to them.
Okay.
But sometimes it might not be possible again. Especially in this case where the Olosho girl now don't get multiple condom.
Yes.
How you go take identify
the individuals.
The specific victim now. So it go there difficult. It go there difficult where.
All right, sir. Thank you so much for your time with us. Time not today. I would like to take more of this conversation with you, but another opportunity could come where we will talk more about cases like this and everything we get to do with traditional practices. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Najite. Thank you for having me.
All right, sir. All right, time don't go. Time not be our friend, but we need to go. Punkila, quickly. My own advice now be say, you see where this one take happen now for inside Anambra State, where we say then use akuna way a lot of male they patronize. They know wetin they really they happen. So one need to really dey careful.
Madam Faturo, me, it don't tell where people done the best for me. Why? Even for among the men, I dey tell them. Say no be every gate where woman open keep for you. Now you go pass enter. You understand what I mean? Right. In a daytime, so I know people expatiate some things, but I just use that to coin them.
Right.
No be every gate where they open for you. Now you might go carry a kata you go there enter.
Right.
Good. So that's number one. Number two, religiously, because me I'm a very spiritual person, but okay, I don't want to say religious, but spiritually, it gets some people who be say just to near them alone, you go peel the bad energy for your body. Not be say the people na bad people, it just be say maybe you get one worker and one worker together. That worker no go pay you either now or in future. So your body go react to the bad energy. It's up to you to be able to read the bad energy and say, why I won't work out with
this person
and my body they do me like this. For example, read our grandfather, you won't work out, you hit leg for
left leg.
Right leg, put the table, left leg, the man know the house, if better man no go. You know those kind of ability too. We get time, even in this modern day, she did. But we all done they carried away by a lot of things where we say we know they recognize it. You understand? So I my advice out there, Malang, because pissed up some people may they know advocate the akuna
even akuna na crime for we country, so
yes, that's true now. So because he be crime on your own, we're not even supposed to advise to engaging in it. Dan Allah akiyaye hausa ke ta adai da tasau dan Allah jama'a adai da tasau.
All right, thank you so much, Punkila, and those who they listen to us. We actually really apologize for the breaking transmission. My name is Najite Atirene. Continuously, they talk about this matter. You feel still go on our YouTube channel, will be Yanga FM Nigeria, to get the full gist and also paying your contribution there. Follow us for all our socials: IG, TikTok, X, Yanga 899 FM, or if you go our website to continue to the tutorial yourself with programs waiting on top of the station Wasabi Yanga FM. That website now www.yanga899.fm. Adawaka.
That's so.
Good morning.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.